Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a caption to an image in Notion. And if you've ever found yourself wanting to keep your workspace extra clear and organized, this little trick is definitely going to come in handy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to label your photos with context, explanations, or even a little personality right inside your Notion pages. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Notion workspace. Just head to the page where you keep your images, whether it's a mood board, a project tracker, or maybe a personal journal. If you're new to Notion, or maybe you have tons of pages and databases, don't worry, it sometimes takes a moment to navigate to the right spot. Just scroll through your sidebar until you spot the page you need. Now, once you're in the right place, look for the image you want to add a caption to. You might have multiple images on your page, so you'll want to make sure you click on the exact one you want to annotate. In Notion, images are usually embedded right in the text blocks, so hover your cursor over the photo. You'll notice a light gray border appears around the image. This lets you know it's selected and ready for editing. Here where the magic happens. When you select the image, you'll see a small caption option appear at the top or bottom of the image itself. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to load. It can be a little subtle the first time you look for it. Think of this caption feature as the little label under a photo in a physical scrapbook or museum. It's there to give meaning, tell a story, or explain what's happening in the image. Click on Caption and you'll see a new text field open up just beneath your image. Now it's time to type your message into that caption box. You might want to clarify what the photo shows, jot down a quick explanation, or just add a bit of personality, whatever fits your page best. For example, if you're documenting a project, your caption might say, Prototype Design version 2 added color adjustments. Or if it's a personal snapshot, you could write something like, Sunset at Lakeview Park. April 2024. This isn't just about extra decoration. Captions help your workspace stay informative and prevent confusion down the line, especially if you're sharing your Notion page with collaborators. Once you've typed in your caption, that's really it. The text is automatically saved, so you don't have to worry about hitting a save button or losing your work. As with most things in Notion, changes happen on the spot. You'll see your caption appear right below the image, making everything look just a bit more polished and professional. If you ever want to change what the caption says, just click on the text and edit it whenever you need. So there you have it. Adding captions to images in Notion is quick, easy, and super useful for both personal and collaborative workspaces. I hope this tutorial helps you keep your pages clear, contextual, and visually organized. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a like, and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or want more tips for using Notion. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.